hunting dogs. These are now among the rarest of Africa's mammals, but they're nonetheless the continent's most efficient predators. Their secret is teamwork. Impala are their favorite prey. They start to hunt, and the pack splits up. An aerial viewpoint gives a new insight into their strategy. As the dogs approach their prey, they peel off to take up separate positions around their target. They seem to form a cordon around the impala. Moving in total silence, they take up their positions. Those ears can detect the slightest rustle. Is on. 3 dogs close in on one impala. Missed. The lead dog drives the impala towards the hidden flankers. Anticipating their line, the leader cuts the corner and joins a flanker for the final assault. It's all or nothing, 1-on-1. The dog has stamina, the impala has speed. Leaping into the lake is an act of desperation. Impala can barely swim. The dogs know their prey must come out or drown. Now it's a waiting game. The rest of the pack are calling. They've made a kill in the forest, and this is an invitation to join in the meal. The impala is in luck. A pack this size kills once a day, and everything is shared. And this impala is reprieved.